We can do a video called These Ratchet Girls Going to Church. I hope y'all like it. Subscribe to my channel and like at the bottom of the screen. And I hope y'all like it.
Hi, Keisha. Oh, girl. This is my song. Sang at church. Where my feet? Somebody hold this baby. Baby hurting my fucking hand. Shit. Just got my nails done. Bitch trying to break my nails. Girl, move. Get off the damn way. Where my feet at? Oh, look at my baby. Y'all see my baby? Is my baby cute? Look at my baby. Look at my baby, girl. Look at my baby. Don't this baby look just like his daddy. This is I'm 15 weeks pregnant and counting. I'm doing the pen. I can still hear Ro. Oh, oh. Bitch got shit out. Oh, bitch. Oh, bitch, you stank. Bitch, you stank, bitch. Hello? Look at my Mickey Mouse pants, girl. You know I did better than you, girl. I worked that pole last night. And I'm up in the church. Up in the church, girl. John 15, only in America, bitch. Only in America. Bitch, please. Let me sit down. My feet hurt. Ooh. Shit. He's fine, girl. Who that calling me? Oh, I gotta do my tithe offering. I'm tired. I'm hungry. Why turn it off? Why she fucking funny? Why she funny? Why turn it off? Girl, I heard they was making it rain up in this church. I heard they was making it rain up in this I heard they was making it you supposed to record it. I heard they was making it rain up in here. So I wanted to come up here and get my money too. Why you playing, girl? Shit, a bitch is broke. Heard they was making it rain up in this church. I'm hungry. Oh, look at my quick weave. It's Simiac and Remy Ma. I need to talk to the pastor because I need me some money. Cause a bitch got to give me some hugs. A bitch got to give me some huggies. So where that Pastor Cross at? That is my baby daddy. He is my baby daddy. Ooh, ooh. Girl, this is bad. Hold my party at.
Most of us is rushing into it
Hold
anyway.
my party at. Hold my party.
You ain't rushing for
Hold
love,
my party at.
So let's neglect
Damn.
the nigga do it again.
Shit.
Yeah.
Hey, this song goes out to Pastor Claus. Me child supposed. You know me child supposed. You got this baby. You know this is your baby. You owe me child support. You owe me child support. You saying that you're not the daddy. We had sex last night on the beach of McDonald's. You owe me child support for my baby. Go me, you owe me child support. I heard y'all make it rain this church, so I had to go out get an umbrella.
Get it.
You on top of post. You gonna make it right. I'm 15 weeks in college. My baby daddy in jail. He said he not the daddy of my sexy bunny. But you know that I need your money. Oh no. He said that's the daddy. I said, hell no. Cookie Monster Daddy. I said, kiss my grass. Oh. I gotta ride on my weed. My weed, girl. Track 4 up. Put on track 2. I used to be a stripper. I used to come down the pole. I'm like, hey. My baby. Is this payday? Is this your baby? You know, little bunny, it's your son, baby. You owe me money. You owe me child support. I don't want no bridge car, but I'm tired of living on welfare. Water to check, my Elmer bag, my far rider. Cause you know you the daddy of my baby. And girl, I need me some new hair. Don't I look cute? You heard me? Bitch, please. Nigga, please. I seen him yesterday at the barber shop. Get his hair cut. Some Jordans. You can buy my baby nothing, but you gotta stay in the wear. When I look at my hair and send me roses, send me flowers with cheetah print. Nigga, only in America, bitch, please, you owe me my child support. Cause I'm tired of carrying your... Nigga, nigga, first. Who you calling me? You owe me child support. You owe me child support. If it's you, are you my baby daddy? I'm tired of looking like this. A bitch look like American Next time out of I'm cute. You know that I'm fly. I got that Remy in that big nappy fly, and I said, bitch, you shine. Need some lights on. I tell you, I'm not a ratchet. I'm a Nubian princess. You owe me child support. You owe me some. You owe me child support. Where my money at? I need my money. But the first some.
We're gonna start on the second video, but it's another song. We ain't gonna stop it. So. Let's see what other book. Let's see.
Where's my puppy dog? Where's my dog? The dog should have been a baby. The dog should have been a baby. Should have been.
People everywhere are taking a stand and put.
We're finna do this video. Don't put the dog in there.
It's dirty anyway. Get my bag there.
But here, I'm gonna do this video. My favorite song.
What you want to talk about?
Huh?
What you want to talk about? It's called Are You the Baby Daddy? Are you my baby daddy? You know you my baby daddy, a little Fitrani. You know you the baby daddy of Fitrani. Don't he look like you? He don't look like me. No, he don't. You know you the baby daddy, a little Fitrani. Started from the bottom, now I'm here. Started from the waist, and this is my baby. Move back. Alright, somebody go motherfucking baby. Hell no. Where my baby? Where my baby? Where my hankies? Where my huggy diapers at? Saying you owe me similar. I had to go and try to get back. I stand in the road with a line. Because your ass in America I wear this. No, I said that I'm not a house. Where my money at? Where my money at? Where my money at? I'm working on the pole and I'm giving you a heart attack. Say I'm working on the pole and give you a heart attack. All this dancing.
The whole thing. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Did you just see her? That girl over there look ratchet.
This bitch retarded as fuck.
Ratchet. I quit now. I quit.
Medicated lip ointment, but I want you to know with that being said, I still